Hello everyone, it's Recharger here with another video of a 143 scaled model, and this one is another IXO model cars. This is the, it's so hard to say, it's a Peterbilt 350 from 1952. I think that's the right one because you can't see it this way, so you have to look at it from the top. It's kind of weird, but it actually should be saying about it in the bottom. Yeah, there it is. So I did call it right, so it's fine. So it is licensed. If somebody's wondering, these are licensed vehicles. So this is a very big boy. So let's get it out and have a look at closer look. Okay, so these come with these cardboard covers. If you want, you can display them that way, but I personally don't want to. I'm just going to break it out because I just want to get it out. So they also come with these acrylic cases, which are humongous, and also it is not expensive at all. Like, these trucks are almost the same price as most of their basic cars, so it's very, very affordable in my opinion. So I have this truck already in my collection. I just have it with a different style, design and stuff like that. My front bumper is a bit different because this one is more like it would be hauling some kind of I don't know, heavy machinery equipment or stuff like that. So you have these lines for the front. Basically, I think it shows that like just a big load is being transported, so you cannot like pass it or something. I don't know, it's something like that. But yeah, there it says Peterbilt IXO. So let's get these stickers off the sides. I'll just put them there for now. And let's pull off this. Yeah, big, very big acrylic case. There's the model itself. So it's being held here by a plastic, which we'll be removing right as soon as we get it off the base. Which for me, I think is going to be easier off the camera, but I'll see what I can do. Okay, so I think it's going to be fine. These are some large screws. For a large vehicle, of course. Yeah, I need to move my hand so I don't break anything. And there it goes. Let's put that away for now. Let's get this plastic away also. What is that? Okay, that's nothing. That is not important. There's some more in the back. Okay, let's flip this guy over. Oh, it's a heavy. He's a heavy truck. So this thing is mostly metal. So let's see what's metal. So the bumper and the front grille is plastic. The rest of the cab is metal. All these bits and bobs around those are all plastic. These barrels are plastic. I think they're like air barrels. That's what they're called. I'm not fully sure. The fender is metal. The steps, metal. This cab in the back is metal. exhausts are plastic. The they're called back fenders, I think they're called. They feel plasticky, so I think they're plastic. You got the hitch, it moves up and down. The gas tanks are metal. Then for the base, most of this is metal, but like I said, the little part, like you can see the exhaust coming, they're joined up and they go to the engine. Those are plastic. The tires are rubber. So this thing is quite heavy, but very, very cool looking. Like you can see all the stuff in there around it and everything. So there's your front. I'm not quite sure. I think these are the cables that you could connect to the trailer. If you have one, of course, and that would give you the lights and everything. Probably a snorkel for the brakes or whatever. I don't even know if you have snorkels for brakes for trailers. Maybe. I don't know. There's your back. Nevada. So it should be a roller. And it is a good one for that matter. So there you have it. This is the Peterbilt, and a fantastic and awesome model. I don't have, like, I have only like 3 trucks in one, well, four trucks in 164, I mean 143, but all of them are awesome. But also, which I noticed, but I don't know when I'm gonna get the chance to get one of those. IXO also makes these trucks in one, not all of them, but they're making more as it goes. They're making the 164 also trucks, and they mostly have also the metal on metal rubber tires and blah blah blah, and they're scale accurate. And but the problem is that they are at least I'll say it in euros, but at least 10 euros more expensive than this. Now imagine a smaller car being more expensive than the bigger car or truck. That is the only issue that I have. That's why I haven't bought one yet, but I think I might eventually, just to see how good they are. So, because these do take a lot of space. As much cool as these are, they do take space. It's basically almost like a 118 scale car, just it's a bit smaller. But yeah, there you have it. Hope you like this one. I personally really do. I really do like this truck. Everything about it. Can't wait to put it in my collection. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.